Last session we saw about electricity. In today's session, we'll be seeing about transportation and communication. Okay, so what is transportation? So, transportation is moving people or things from one place to another. So, transportation is moving people or things from one place to another, that is known as transportation. So, if I want to move this thing to my neighbor's house, then I'm transporting this thing from this place to my neighbor's place. So, that is known as transportation. Okay, so what are the modes of transportation? Through what all ways we can transport a thing? So we can transport a thing to through air, water, and land. So these three are the main modes of transportation. And in land, we have the railways. Okay, so these are the three modes of transportation, and in land we have railways. Okay, so let us see about each thing separately. So by air, you can use an aeroplane, helicopter, or a jet, or a airbus, or a hot air balloon to transport things. Okay, so if you want to transport this thing to some other country, then you can use an aeroplane. Okay, and the next is by water. Okay, so by water you can use a ship, boat, or a cruise ship. So if you want to go on a vacation, right? So what type of vehicle will you use? You can use a ship or a aeroplane. Okay, so normally if we want goods from the foreign countries, right, we can use a ship. Okay, so they transport goods from other countries to India with the help of a ship. Okay, so the next is by road. So by road you can use vehicles like car, bicycle, truck, like that you can use. So by road means nearby places you can transport things. Like if I want to transport this pen to my neighbor's house, then I can use a car to go to my neighbor's house and give this pen. Okay, so when you're going to your neighbor's house, you can use car like things. If you want to transport one thing very far away, you can use an aeroplane or a ship. Okay, so even railways come under road only. So most of the goods are transported through railways only. So you're writing letter, right? All the letter and all the posters are transported through railways only. Okay, so different types of vehicles. So traveling by air, as I said, you can use a helicopter, aeroplane, airbus, hot air balloon, like that. And traveling by water, you can use a ship, a boat, like that. Okay, so not only traveling, to transport a thing to another place also you can use all these vehicles. Okay, so the next is traveling by road. So normally what all vehicles will you use to travel by road? It might be a car, a bicycle, bike, scooter, van, like that. So these are the things used to transport people or things to one place to another place. Okay, so even railways, as I said. So we have an activity. Find the name of the vehicle with the missing letters. So what is the first one? So you have to find the name of the vehicle with the missing letters.
Car.
Yeah, super car. Second one?
Car. Scooter.
No, second one. Second one.
Second one, truck.
Yeah, truck.
Truck.
Super, super. Third one? Third one. Even that's a vehicle which is used to go into space.
Rocket. Rocket.
Yeah, super. Rocket. Fourth one?
Rocket.
Fourth one.
Boat.
Yeah, boat. Super. Fifth one?
Bike.
Super.
Bike.
Super, super. First is car, second is truck, third is rocket, fourth is boat, fifth is bike. Okay. So, now what types of vehicles in the earlier days? So, now we have all the cars to go and transport things and people, but before the car and all the vehicles were invented, what type of vehicles they used? So, it might be a bullock cart, or like these types of vehicles only they might have been used. Okay, so have you ever seen in an old movie all when people have to go to one place to another, they use vehicles like these only, right? So after that only, evolution takes place and all the cars and everything came. Okay, so now we saw about transportation, modes of transportation and types of vehicles. So what is communication? Now let us see about communication. So communication is sending and receiving information between people. So like if you want to ask something to your friend, so you'll send, right? What are you doing? Through WhatsApp, you'll send a message. What are you doing? Like that. And if your friend sees that message, that friend will reply, right? I am eating, like that. So that is known as communication. Sending a message and receiving a message is known as communication. Okay. So means of communication. So with what all ways we can communicate with people? So first is writing letters. So yes, right, if you write a letter to your friend, even the friend will write a reply letter. So in that way you can communicate with your friends or people. And mobile phones. So you can chat through mobile phones, or you can call and talk with your friends through mobile phones. Even that is a mean of communication. Okay, and next is telephones. So before the smartphones and the mobile phones were invented, people used telephones to communicate with each other. Okay, and computers. So like we are here with the help of computers, we are meeting, right? And we are communicating. So we can communicate with the help of computers also. Okay. So the next is television. So through television you'll be able to get information, right? So if a government is saying something to the people, we can get that information through the help of television only. So if you go to news channels, you'll get information, right? So you can get you can communicate with the help of television also. And newspaper. So the same, you can get information like what the government is saying to the people through newspaper also, you can get information. And radio. So these times if we are watching cricket matches, right, we are using tvs to watch. But before the tvs were invented, people used radios to hear the commentary of the cricket match. Yes. Yes. So people used radio to communicate. Okay. So now we have eyesight and we are communicating. We are reading the message and we are replying. But how do blind people? Yes. Anyone? Okay, so we have eyesight, so we are reading the message and we are replying. But how can blind people read message and reply? They don't have eyesight. So how can they do that? They do it by a language called Braille, and the language was found by Louis Braille, a person known as Louis Braille. So both are same. The name of the language is also Braille, and the person who found it was also Braille. Okay. So how they read through the language called Braille? So there'll be the dots on the paper, so they can just sense the yes. Say hello. Okay, so in the paper, yeah, I'm able to say hear you. What is your doubt? Okay. Yeah, Karthik Krishna. I'm able to hear you.
I know the full form of ICT.
What?
Carney, I know full form ICT. I know full form of IC.
Your voice is not clear.
He knows the full form of IC.
Oh, okay. Okay, so let me say. So through the dots, they sense what is on the paper and they'll read the message. Okay, so the blind people will get information through that language only. Okay, they won't be able to see, right? So with the help of the dots, they can get information. Like this, they will sense what is on the paper with the help of dots. Okay, so we have one more activity. Imagine you cannot talk. How will you communicate? So imagine you cannot talk now. How will you communicate with me? Through what means will you communicate with me?
With the hand signs
Yeah, with
like
the
this.
hand signs, or you can write and show. So,
Action.
yeah, super. With the help of actions, you can talk with people. Okay, so but it's very hard, right? We cannot make other people understand what we are doing just by actions. So, so communication is very important, and we have the power to talk. It's very helpful, right? So, communication is very important. So now let us see some interesting facts on vehicles. So 60 million cars are produced every year. So 60 million cars are produced every year. Making one car is really so hard, but 60 million cars are produced every year. Okay. Next is, it would take less than a month to get to the moon by car. So imagine you're going to the moon with the help of a car. It would take less than a month to reach the moon with the help of a car. But if you think logically, you cannot go to the moon with the help of car. But still, if you calculate the time, it will take less than a month. Okay. So the first ever car accident occurred in 1891. So after they invented car, the first car accident occurred in 1891. Okay. So now which year we are? 2020. That accident occurred in 1891. Okay. So the man who invented cruise control was blind. So cruise means when you're going on a vacation, there'll be the big ship, right? That is known as cruise. So normally before many years, people used to sail the ship by having a stick and rowing it on the sea. But now we are just sitting inside a room and controlling the ship, right? So that control was invented by a blind man, a person who was not able to see. That person only invented the cruise control. Okay. So interesting facts on communication. So facial expressions matter way more. So let's take an example. So if you're sitting next to a person and you're saying, I'm crying, like that person will not take it that much, right? But when you do the action, you're crying, that person will say, oh, don't cry, don't cry. So facial expressions matter way more. Okay. So instead of saying, I'm happy, if you show your face like you're happy, then people will see you even more much time. Okay. So the next is, we process images faster than words. So now I'm explaining you every slide with the help of images only, right? That's because if I put image, you will understand what I'm saying even more clearly. Okay, so that's why I'm putting images. But imagine I'm putting words fully on a slide. So there are only words on a whole slide. It'll not be interesting, right? So if I put images only, it'll be interesting for you to learn. So we process images faster than words. Okay, so now we have quiz. So let's see who answers these faster. Okay, so what type of vehicle will you use to travel by water? What type of vehicle?
Ship, ship, ship or boat, ship or boat,
Okay,
ship or boat,
ship or a boat. Yeah, super.
or boat.
Super, super. You'll use a ship or a boat to travel by water. Super. So you're going to an island. An island is an area that is covered fully with water. Okay. So you're going to an island. What type of transport will you use?
Boat, boat, boat,
Yeah,
boat.
super. So it can be a ship or
Last.
an aeroplane. So it can be a ship or an aeroplane. Okay. It can be anything. But you cannot use a car. Okay. So you cannot use a car because car won't go on water. Okay. So you cannot use a car. So the next is, name this vehicle. Name this vehicle.
Train, train, Train.
Super, super. Train. Super. Next is Sheila is planning to go on a vacation to Africa. What type of transport will she use? So she's planning to go.
Aeroplane. 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 Aeroplane.
Yeah, super.
Aeroplane.
Aeroplane or a ship. Okay, she can use anything. Okay. So okay, you super, super. You want to go to your friend's house. So you're going to your friend's house. What type of vehicle will you use?
Cycle. Cycle or bike. Cycle. Car. Bike.
Super. You can use a car, bike, or a cycle. Okay. You can use a car, bike, or a cycle, anything. So who invented Braille language? The answer is in the question itself. Who invented Braille language?
Braille. Braille.
Yeah.
Braille.
Braille. So the image shown is the person called Louis Braille. So that person only invented Braille language. Okay. So how can we communicate with our friends in the older days? So imagine you're going like 100 years before. So what type of communication will you use to talk with your friends? That time there were no.
By writing letter.
Yeah, super.
By writing letter.
Super. So with letters you can communicate. Super, super. So how am I able to share things to you? So I am able to communicate with you right now. How am I doing that? With the help of what I am doing that? Now.
Phone.
Yeah.
Computer.
We are doing through video call, right? Through video call with the help of phone, computer or laptop. So we are doing this through any device. Okay. So yeah, thank you for coming to this session. So let's just revise what we saw in today's session. Okay. So I'll just show you what we saw again with a small revision. So we saw what is transport. Transport is moving things or people from one place to another place. So what are the modes of transport? Air, water and land. Okay. So by air we can use aeroplane, helicopters like that. By water we can use a ship, a boat like that. And by road we can use a car, a bike, cycle like that. And railways. So this is one more side heading in the transport, railways. So we can transport through railways also. So different types of vehicles traveling by air. As I told, these are the vehicles which we use to travel by air. So you can see, and traveling by water, ship, boat like that. And traveling by road, car, caravan, van, scooter, bike like that. And even railways. So we saw an activity, right? We saw find the name of the vehicle with the missing letters and the answers for that activity. And the earlier times, what type of vehicle will the people be using to transport? Is the bullock cart and the horse type of vehicles. And what is communication? Okay, so communication is, yeah, super, super. Bullock carts. So what is communication? Sending and receiving information between people. That is known as communication. So we saw the means of communication: writing letters, mobile phones, telephones, computers, television, newspaper, radio. And we saw how blind people read messages. So we saw blind people read messages with a language called Braille.
With the help of science.
Yeah, not science. Blind people can communicate with the language called Braille, and the people who cannot talk.
With the help of both.
Yeah. Okay, so this is Braille language. They do it like sensing all the dots. And we saw an activity. Imagine you cannot talk. How will you communicate? And you all told, right? By sign language or by writing. And we saw interesting facts on vehicles. 60 million cars are produced every year. And it would take less than a month to get to the moon by car. And the first ever car accident occurred in 1891. So the first ever car accident occurred in 1891. Okay, so the man who invented cruise control was blind. So the man who invented the controlling of the ship was blind. So interesting facts on communication. Facial expressions matter way more. I told, right? With an example. And we process images faster than words. That's why I'm giving you all the slides with images so that you can capture what I'm saying very easily. Okay. So the next is, we saw quiz. What type of vehicle will you use to travel by water? Ship or a boat? And you're going to an island. What type of transport will you use? It can be a ship or a aeroplane.
Ship or a boat. Ship or a boat.
Yeah, ship or a boat, or you can use an aeroplane also. Okay, so name this vehicle.
Plane.
Yeah, train.
A train.
Super. So Sheila is planning to go on a vacation to Africa. What type of transport will she use?
Aeroplane. Aeroplane or ship. Aeroplane or ship.
Super, super.
Aeroplane or
a
ship.
or a boat also. So you want to go to your friend's house. What type of vehicle will you use?
Bike, cycle or a car. Bike,
Yeah.
cycle, car.
Super, super. Super. Who invented Braille language?
Braille. Braille.
Braille. Louis Braille.
Braille.
This person is known as Louis Braille. So how can we communicate with our friends in the older days, like 100 years before?
Writing letter. Writing letters.
Yeah, super. Writing letters. Super, super. So how am I able to share things to you right now? So I'm giving you some
With the
information
help
about.
of phone.
Yeah, super. With the help
By
of.
video call.
Yeah, video call. With the help of.
Zoom meeting.
Yes.
With the help of Zoom meeting.
Yeah. Yes, yes.
I know the full form of ITC.
Yeah, what is the full form?
Information Communication Technology.
Super, super, super. So yeah, thank you for coming to this session. And if you want to continue my further sessions, then contact to this number 9842006728. And our next session will be day after tomorrow, and the link for that session will be sent tomorrow. Okay.
Bye.
So thank you for coming.